once a week, every Tuesday from 12 to 1 is our sales mastermind. So today we discuss about our 10 sales strategies to get the home sold. In today's market, December 2018, the market is changing. How to make sure that when the owner of the house hire us to get the home sold, we implement our 10 sales strategy. One of them is basically submitting offers every week. We have over 30,000 buyers that we have in our database who's looking to buy homes here in the area. So once a week, when you hire our team to sell your home, we implement our Arbit home selling system with 10 sales strategies specifically focused on submitting to you cash offers every single week. So it's been an amazing discussion, and also for our team members who's working with buyers, our buyers clients, we focus on giving access to the buyers homes that's not available online. Today, part of the discussion here with one of our team members, Xavier, we're talking about homes in San Gabriel, Arcadia, Temple City, Alhambra, Rosemead, that's not online. We are talking about for sale by owners, homes that's previously listed. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of options. So it's been an amazing Tuesday sales mastermind meeting, and looking forward for the next one.
Just wanted to say we had an amazing training today. We had our sales mastermind meeting, and we actually got to dive deep in how to work with buyers and how to work with sellers. And one of the key components is that price is only a concern in the absence of value. So what we do is we like to go above and beyond to both our buyers and sellers. So if we're working with buyers, for example, we will find any house, whether it's listed online or not, and we'll help them get that property because we're here for the customer, and service is number one. That is our core mission, which is to elevate people's lives and to serve big. Super excited to be on the team, super excited to go serve big. Let's make this happen.
So you teach them. Now guess what? You just have to do one interaction with her and she understands it, and guess what? She'll do it everybody else, then it's not helping each other. You know what I mean? The good behavior will just ripple, or the bad behavior will just ripple, same thing, you know what I mean? But we need to start engaging people. The person who asks questions is the person who controls the conversation. So in the car, if Mandy is the buyer, I'm the driver, and I keep quiet in the car, guess what's gonna happen? He's gonna ask me questions. When I find out there is MLS, oh, now I can sell other people inventory. But then when I find out we can negotiate our own fees, that's even better. Because you know why? Because now my inventory is unlimited. You can point your fingers to any house. I can negotiate my own fees. I can just go to the owner of the house. I don't care if the house is listed by the MLS. You see the power of this?